Hi everyone. Right, let's look at the stock market update. And what does it look like over here? Okay, the S&P daily, you can see at the far right hand corner over there, has indeed been falling of late. Okay, no, doesn't take a genius to work that out over there. And that MACD, that has been moving lower. So odds are it's going to continue that direction. When you look at the weekly chart, that gives you a better indication of which way the daily is likely to go. And I'm afraid, and you often do see the MACD and the signal line kissing like that, and then it looks positive for a bit, then moves lower, and that looked positive for a bit, then moves lower. Now, I'm not saying we're going to go as low as we were this year. I don't think we're going to go lower. I can't say at the moment whether we're going to go make a new low for this year, basically. Okay, NASDAQ, very similar story. And therefore, looking at the NASDAQ weekly, I suspect it will follow a similar story. The FTSE will tend to be probably a bit more different. Now, that could equally, instead of going lower, could well come off that. Now, to determine that, I'd look at the weekly. And the weekly doesn't really give us much of a clue either. It's sort of going this way. I'm going to say with this, it may well go up in the following week, and we'll just monitor it at the end of that. The Dow, very similar like the rest of the US markets, and you can see that there. So I'd have to say for the week or 2 weeks ahead, more likely to be lower than higher. If that was of interest, have a look at the campaign for $1million.com, where you will get copies of my books, my daily updates on the markets, and the latest stuff out of the hedge fund. Thank you very much.